how to create a seller account on Eldorado.gg. So if you want to create a seller account on Eldorado, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Eldorado and then go with login, which will be in the top, and make sure that you have logged into your account. So first you need to just simply go and verify, and then you can sign in using your Google, Apple, or your Facebook. So I'll just simply go with Google. And once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has your profile section. And from the profile here on the right side, you will have the sell option. But if you don't find the sell option, what you need to do is just simply go and verify your account. To do that, you need to open up your Gmail. And after opening your Gmail, you will have mail from Eldorado. Or you can just simply go with the account settings. Here you will have the account settings option. Go with the account settings. Once you're on your account settings, you need to just simply go with the left side and go with become a seller. Now go with start verification, which will be right here. After that, scroll down, make sure to keep this in mind and go with continue to verification. Now you need to go with seller ID verification. So go and select the seller type, which is you can choose individual or company, and then enter your details like your first and last name, and then your date of birth, your nationality, your personal code, and then your street address, city, country, postal code, and everything, and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. By proceeding these steps, you'll be able to create a seller ID. But after this step, which is seller ID verification, once you enter your details, you need to go with continue, and it will take you to the next step where you need to enter your ID verification, which is you need to take a photo of your ID and Eldorado.gg in the background. There are some accepted documents for your ID, which is like driver's license, government issued ID, or passport, international student ID. But make sure that personal details in the document are clearly visible and easy to read. You can also upload the files. Once you've done, you can go with submit documents, and after submitting your documents, your account will be on review, and within a few days or a few hours, you'll be able to have a seller account on Eldorado. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.